Good morning, dear friends, all my global friends, philatelist friends, numismatist friends. Here I have come with you with my collection of Bangladesh postage stamps. This is the postage stamps of two Bangladesh postage stamps. Left is dedicated to Mother Teresa, to rupees 4. That is called Taka. 4 Taka Bangladesh token, Mother Teresa, and this one is right side. This is of Bangladesh also postage stamps of rupees 10. That is called Taka 10 Taka. Here I have bring for you some information about postage stamps. This video is dedicated to the lovers of postage stamps around the world. Postage stamps collection is a very old hobbies for peoples around the world. The people who collects the postage stamps are called philatelists. That is the collecting of dark ticket, that is called postage stamps called philately. This is around 10 million people around the world are philatelists, and I have made many types of videos about dedicated friends of philatelists. More information and update about philately and about postage stamps, you can view my all videos about philately. For further information, please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest video. All video will come to you within second if you touch my bell icon also. For further information, I will come back for you next time. Till then, bye bye.